Hi! In front of me is Nokia T20, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to select Connected Devices, tap on Pair New Device and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, just tap on the one that you wish to connect to and wait for the connection pop-up to show up. After that, you need to select Pair in it and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them though by tapping on this little gear icon next to the device and choosing Forget. Now confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!